Hello everyone, this is another tutorial video for the 1P tab on the Test 3 workbook. So I noticed that I hadn't quite gotten to this section yet where we solve for a confidence interval. So let me set up this example problem I'm thinking about. You're looking at a study. So study reports a proportion of 0.2 with ME equal to 0.05 and sample size N equals 174. So I guess you can already see that I was testing these values in here. But yeah, so let me tell you how I made this problem, because I wanted a problem that would explain how to use this, right? So if you're given a sample proportion, a margin of error, and a sample size, you can then compute the confidence interval used for that study or sample or whatever. And yeah, as always, let me just change this so I have something to talk about. What's going on here? So let's change the margin of error. Let's say it was actually 10%. And that's an issue because this is only 0.2, right? So that's like half of the distance to zero, you know? So let's just see, what kind of confidence could we have with that kind of margin of error, right? Sample size 174, p hat given 0.2, and yeah, it computes it. This would have been a 99.9% confidence interval. So here we can see that as I dial the margin of error narrower, referring to our discussion in class the other day, as I make this narrower, going by half steps, the confidence interval, or the confidence decreases as the interval decreases, right? Okay. Yeah, so let's dial in that 0.1. And you know, how I was setting up this problem was I made up the 0.2 and the 0.05, now it's 0.1. And I said, well, now I have to make my sample size so that I get a 90% confidence. So let's see, do I go up or down to get that? Ooh, that was more confident. That was less confident. Yeah, right about there. Yeah. You see, you can actually pull these levers and twist these different knobs, I guess you could say, and it'll kind of help you understand what's going on underneath the hood with confidence level, margin of error, and sample size. All right, folks, keep that one short, and coming back at you with plenty more and the rest of this afternoon. You have a good day.